What's up guys, C2113 here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Caseroxx TPU case for the CAT S61. Okay guys, so here's the package. The case came in just this simple envelope here. And based on the writing here from the Deutsche Post, I'm guessing this came from Germany, especially since it says it made in Germany on the back here and on the envelope anyway. So I was a little surprised by that. I was expecting this case to come from China, but it actually came from Germany. And the shipping took about 2 weeks, so not terrible, but again, definitely not Amazon Prime. I paid about $17 for this. I'll leave the link in the description. Now, the reason this thing is so compelling is because up until this point, there hasn't been a single case that wasn't just a sleeve or a holster, like the holster I've got here. This could be a game changer if the quality is there. Now, right off the bat already, it's a flexible TPU material, as you can see here. It's got a matte finish back and glossy sides. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of the glossy sides because they can be, they can show grease, but by no means is this a bad thing for me or a deal breaker. Very flexible, decent amount of padding, but again, probably don't need too much padding. This is mainly for scuff and scrape protection. So you've got your hole for your laser right here. You've got your dual camera and flash hole right here. You've even got, they even got a cutout for the microphones. That's very nice. You've got your VOC sensor holes cut out, volume up, volume down, power button, your programmable button, headphone jack, and of course speaker and USB-C. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing in the case and see how it fits. Wow. So right off the bat, that fits really snug and it's not coming out. And in order to get it off, I have to really pry to get it off. It really locks in right around the rim of the phone. And the fit is remarkably good. I mean, just take a look here. The alignment is beautiful. Look at those buttons. The VOC sensor holes line up perfectly. Volume buttons line up perfectly. Your power button lines up perfectly. Headphone jack, also perfect. Microphone holes, cameras and flash hole, multifunction button hole, your speaker on the bottom there, USB-C port, everything lines up perfectly. Again guys, this was 17 bucks, alright? Still, it remains to be seen whether or not the durability is here for this case. But so far, I can't say enough good things about this thing, considering there's nothing else on the market really, other than TPU cases like this. I'm very happy with this. So again, there's not much else I can say here, it's just an unboxing video, but if you have a CAT S61, definitely check this case out if you're looking for something to add a little extra protection to your phone. I'll leave the link in the description as always. If you like the video, give me a like. If you have any questions, comments, or if you've had this case for a while, leave it below in the comments. And as always, if you want to see more, get subscribed.